Welcome to our YouTube video on how to get your driver's license in California. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to obtain your driver's license. If you're new to the state or you're planning to move here soon, this video is for you. Before we begin, if you find this video to be helpful and informative, please push the like and subscribe buttons to my channel for more videos like this. So let's get started. The first step in getting your driver's license in California is to obtain a learner's permit. To do this, you must be at least 15.5 years old and pass a written test at the Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV. The test will cover traffic laws, road signs, and safe driving practices. Once you pass the test, you will receive your learner's permit, which allows you to practice driving with a licensed adult who is at least 25 years old. After obtaining your learner's permit, it's time to enroll in a driver's education course. This course is designed to teach you the rules of the road, defensive driving techniques, and the importance of responsible driving. Completing a driver's education course is mandatory for all new drivers under the age of 18 in California. Once you have completed your driver's education course, it's time to gain some practical driving experience. You will need to complete a minimum of 6 hours of behind-the-wheel training with a licensed driving instructor. During this training, you will learn how to operate a vehicle, practice various driving maneuvers, and develop your skills on the road. Now that you have your learner's permit and have completed your driver's education and behind-the-wheel training, it's time to practice driving on your own. You must complete at least 50 hours of supervised driving practice, including 10 hours of nighttime driving, with a licensed adult who is at least 25 years old. Keep track of your practice hours in a logbook, as you will need to submit this when applying for your driver's license. Once you have completed all the necessary requirements, it's time to apply for your driver's license. Schedule an appointment at your local DMV office and bring all the required documents, including your learner's permit, proof of completion of driver's education and behind-the-wheel training, proof of insurance, and proof of residency. You will also need to pass a vision test and a behind-the-wheel driving test. Congratulations! If you pass the driving test, you will receive your driver's license. Remember to always drive safely and responsibly. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please push the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Good luck, and see you next time.